Hi, in this video we will briefly review the main ingredients of greedy algorithm. And the first of them is reduction to a subproblem. Basically, when you have some problem, you make some first move and thus reduce your problem to a similar problem, but which is smaller. For example, you have fewer digits left or fewer gas stations left in front of you, and this similar problem, which is smaller, is called a subproblem. Another key ingredient is a safe move, and a move is called safe if it is consistent with some optimal solution. In other words, if there exists some optimal solution in which the first move is the same as your move, then your move is called a safe move. And not all first moves are actually safe. For example, to go until there is no fuel is not a safe move in the problem about car fueling. And often greedy moves are also not safe. For example, to get to the closest gas station and refill at it is not a safe move, while to get to the farthest gas station reachable from you and refill there is a safe move. Now, the general strategy of solving a problem goes like this. First, you analyze the problem and you come up with some greedy choice. And then the key thing is to prove that this greedy choice is a safe move. And you really have to prove it, because otherwise you can come up with some greedy choice and then come up with a greedy algorithm and then even implement it and test it and try to submit it in the system, only to learn that the algorithm is incorrect, because the first move is actually not a safe move, and there are cases in which this first move is not consistent with any optimal solution. And in that case, you will have to invent a new solution and implement it from scratch. All the work you've done before will be useless. So please prove your algorithms and prove that the first move is a safe move. When you prove that, you reduce your problem to a subproblem, and hopefully that is a similar problem of the same kind, and then you start solving this subproblem the same way. You make your greedy choice and you reduce it to subproblem and you iterate until there are no problems left, or until your problem is so simple that you can just solve it right away. And in the next lessons we will apply greedy algorithms to solve more difficult problems.